Welcome back to our 11-day trip to Japan.
We're taking you to all our hot spots and hidden gems along the way.
I'm in Japan!
We had 11 days to pack in as much as we could on this trip, so our itinerary was, let's just say, a little ambitious. Day 2 began at the Tokyo Bay Sheraton, and after a little rest and fighting off jet lag, we made our way to Atami Station by way of the Shinkansen, Japan's famous high-speed bullet train. We decided to get the JR Pass, which was about $320 for 7 days, which allowed unlimited rides on the JR line trains.
You did it.
But things didn't go exactly as planned. We ended up going in the complete wrong direction. But once we realized our mistake, we got back on track. The Shinkansen is the fastest way to get from city to city, but we still wanted to rent a car to get us to places that the train just won't take you. But when I went to pick up the car, I realized that somehow I managed to cancel the booking before we left. Feeling defeated, we decided to soak our feet in a public onsen outside the train station. There was even a vending machine that you could buy a souvenir towel to dry your feet. We also took the time to check out the traditional covered market that's just outside the train station. I went for this cute cube-shaped custard-filled cake and some wasabi ice cream. Atami was one of the cities that we could actually see ourselves living in. Even though we were just passing by, we really enjoyed it. And what started out as a disaster ended up being an unexpected highlight, as we ended up booking a panoramic train which had scenic views of the Izu Peninsula coast as we traveled to Kawazu. But keep in mind, if you're going to be taking the trains, carrying your luggage can be a real drag. We packed a medium-sized luggage, which allowed storage in overhead compartments on most trains.
Smells like a puppet.
It was a relief when we finally got to the Imaihama Tokyu hotel, and we were excited to see what amenities this hotel had to offer.
To the Imaihama Tokyo.
The room itself was pretty nice. We chose a Western style room with 2 queen beds. There was a Japanese style option as well. And for a little more money, we got the ocean view.
Welcome to paradise.
There weren't many resorts that were right on the beach, and wow, this one had a great view. Now it's time to check out the rest of the property and find something to eat.
Welcome to my summer house in Japan.
Wow. So,
Like most places in Japan, the hotel was a bit dated, but it was very well maintained. Overall, the food was pretty good. QQ had a medley of deli sandwiches, which was a pretty safe move. Nom, 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 nom. And I opted for the venison curry.
How many points?
I mean, it's pretty unique. Not many places serve venison. So, I'd say it's a solid setup like that.
We don't really drink anymore, so we had a couple non-alcoholic beers to wash it all down. For relaxing times, make it Suntory times.
So we just finished lunch. It costs $44, but it's okay.
Now it's time to take a little dip in the ocean. As you can imagine, the water was quite chilly. But the clarity was very good, and I think you could get some scuba rental equipment nearby. Overall, this resort offered a very relaxing atmosphere.
This beach is awesome. I love the sand, it's very soft. And we're gonna cruise around the beach. Let's see what it looks like at the end. This is interesting construction building. I mean, if this is located in Bali, I'm sure they have this type of, we call it waru. It's like small shop selling noodles, fried rice, bintang. Maybe they, but over here they sell Corona. I'm not sure what is that, but doesn't look like open. So we're gonna go to the pool right now. There is a sprinkle water to wash your feet. Oh my god, this water is so cold. I have to rinse. It's very cold. I don't know how many degrees. Like 0 degree, guys. By the way, this t-shirt available at Etsy. This is our design. And when you click Etsy, so many cool designs, so if you have time, check it out. And I'm gonna jump into the pool right now. Where's me? Oh, I'm disappear. 1, 2, 3, down.
After a brisk dip in the ocean, we decided to check out this hotel's hot spring, better known as an onsen. There were lockers to lock up your unmentionables because you were expected to go completely naked. It is proper etiquette to bathe before going into the hot spring. QQ chickened out and hung out by the vending machines while I was hanging out with a bunch of my Japanese buds.
Oh, look at this. Oh, you ocha. How is it?
Them, bunch of dudes that's naked in hot water, trying not to make eye contact.
There were other health and wellness amenities available like massage too.